unfortunately.
And that's not making the edit.
Hi!
Welcome back.
Editing Haley here. Just a quick apology because I suck and actually lost the video recordings for Chainsaw Man episode 3 and episode 4. So unfortunately, we're just going to be jumping right into episode 5. I do still have the audio recordings for those episodes, so if anyone is interested in me editing those and making them into more of a podcast style video, I guess, that is doable, but as it stands, I don't think enough of you are around or care for me to put in that kind of effort. So, sorry. Anyway, back to our normal content. Welcome back! We're going back to Chainsaw Man. That is what our plan is. I gotta Pochita. I told you one would appear, and I was right. Okay, so what happened in the previous episode?
Defeats the Bat Devil and rescues Power even after she's trapped in.
Yeah, okay. So we've saved Power. We've met most of the rest of the team now, even if it's in passing.
Yes.
I don't remember any of their names.
No.
But one of them is very pitiful, and the internet has a lot of feelings about how pitiful they are. So, okay, so what do you think is upcoming?
No. What do you think is upcoming?
As I mentioned in a previous episode, it is really hard to avoid spoilers for this show. So I have seen some things.
I mean, at least from the spoilers I've seen, it's not super story related.
Yeah, I don't necessarily know how plot relevant they are, but they're definitely shocking. I've made a point of not watching the scene with the two boys in the snow because I know it's going to be plot relevant.
Yes.
And I've been actively avoiding it because
Okay.
I get the vibe. So I haven't done that to myself, but I have seen a kiss that involves vomit. I don't know when that is.
Denji's just ambitious.
Denji is a victim. Denji's getting groomed.
Yeah, but like, you'll see.
These are
You'll
adult
see.
women.
No, well.
Editing Haley here. Because of things like copyright, you're not going to see much of the episodes. These videos are mostly just me and Oliver talking some nonsense. Apparently my dog has some feelings about this.
Oh, this is where we left off.
Oh yeah, feet.
Also, Power being like, yo, you want a boob?
Oh yeah.
What's with the gross fingernails?
What's with the corpse fondling?
気持ちいい胸パッドじゃなつけると胸が大きくなる不思議アイテムじゃさああと二もみじゃ
She's so robotic.
はいおいおいさどうじゃあんま良かったじゃろいいもん揉めてよかったのこれで貸し借りなしじゃなヤーコは助けたからの
Huh?
言いたいことあるけど
マキマからは逃げられんからなウヌラの仕事手伝ってやるわ改めてよろしくな
Also, I love the casual line that's thrown in there where totally behind, another one of those totally behind the scene things like in Attack on Titan. It's not like you can just run away from Makima. And you're like, there's Angel.
That's another internet spoiler. That's not really a spoiler. It's definitely just fanon of the
Aki and Angel.
Aki and Angel relationship.
Yeah.
I'm excited to ship the hell out of these two men.
これが建設物損壊の始末書でこれが悪魔の死体利用の確認あとこれは国土交通省からだこれは
That is something that anime has made me realize I kind of want is like a signature stamp.
Yeah, they're
Because
so
they just have
cool.
those in Japan.
天智くん何か悩みでもあるの
俺はずっと追いかけていたもんをやっと掴んだんです。でもいざ掴んでみるとそんなもんは俺が思っていたより大したことなくて、もしかしたらこれから俺がまた何か違うもんを追いかけて掴んだ時も追いかけてた頃の方が幸せだったって思うんじゃねえのかって。
I mean, to be fair, I feel like fondling breasts is definitely overhyped.
It's worth it.
Okay.
天智くんは何の話をしているの
初めて胸を揉んでみたら大したことなかったって話
He
です。
does look very sad. But I feel like that's the case. Like, I feel like most guys have that experience of, like, this is what I wanted and it's not that good. Oh my god.
天智くんエッチなことはね相手のことを理解すればするほど気持ちよくなれると私は思うんだ
He's a child. An
For
actual
the record,
baby.
how old is Denji?
15!
Okay.
He's 15!
最初
He is a
手を
child!
じっくり観察してみて。指の長さはどれくらい？
Oh, stop. Stop.
手のひらは
Oh, God. Stop it.
Looks awful lot like blood.
I was gonna say, that visual is very
指の
ominous.
形は
Makima is like fucking creepy as fuck.
覚えて。
And then she's also like, I know exactly what I need to do to make Denji
私の
fucking
彼の
listen to
力で
me.
私だってわかるくらいに。覚えて。
Why is this the most sexually explicit thing I've seen in anime?
This?
And
of
I've
all
watched
things?
yaoi where they actually have sex.
Maybe it's because he's a child.
Ick! Ick, yuck, stop. Pochita, protect me.
He's like,
Yeah,
like,
fair,
there you
correct.
go. There we go.
The fact that they did not draw a tent in his pants is
Absurd.
absurd! Oh, stop it.
お願いがあるんだけど。
Oh.
She knows 100% what she's doing.
銃の悪魔を倒してほしいの。
銃の悪
Alright, right back to business.
Is this show supposed to be fun?
What do you mean by that?
Like, are you supposed to enjoy this, or is it supposed to be uncomfortable?
It's supposed to be uncomfortable.
Okay, thank
for this
God.
part.
13年前、米国に出現して、今もどこにいるかわからない。すべてのデビルハンターが殺したがっている。とっても強い悪魔。私ね、デンジ君なら殺せると思うんだ。もしもデンジ君が銃の悪魔を殺せたら、私が君の願い事、何でも一つ叶えてあげる。
それはつまりデンジ君が銃の悪魔を殺したらマキマさんが願い事何でも一つ叶えてあげるっつうことですか？何でもって
Also, this angle is, bad. It's
Is that even allowed? I mean, not really.
悪魔対策に世界中が銃で儲けようとしてた時期に、銃を使った事件や内戦が増えたんだ。メディアも活発にニュースを取り上げ、銃が前よりも怖がられるようになったあたりかな。
I also love the not so subtle hint that the gun devil became a thing in America.
Also, 9/11, but
銃を
not
使った大きな
9/11.
テロが起こっ
But also, that's just
た。その日の
straight up
銃の
9/11.
悪魔
That's just because the
major
tower
armed
isn't
terrorist
falling
attack.
doesn't mean it's not 9/11.
これが僕の住んでいるところさと都会のネズミは言いました。都会のネズミの家族は
外でキャッチボールしてよ。
太陽の具合が良くないんだ。一人でできる遊びをしなさい。
そんなのいつもだろ。
僕、お兄ちゃんと遊びたい。
Is one of these boys baby Aki?
I believe so.
Yeah, I knew this scene was gonna be a thing, so I didn't watch it. So now I have a lot of anxiety.
I don't remember specifically if these characters are...
Apparently, it's bad.
ついてくんなよ。
Why, you came to get him?
うざい。ついてくんなよ。俺は一人で遊べるんだ。バカ！やめろって言ってるだろ。お前が風邪ひくと俺が怒られんだよ。キャッチボールなら手冷たくならないだろ。家からグローブ取ってこい。
As a side, I know it's going to get real sad. I love, as like a planning thing, where you have a tree-lined road. Something about it, like a straight, like up a farm. Oof.
Oof, them linearly planted trees.
Exactly.
I'm sorry.
It's been a little under 5 minutes.
銃の悪魔は今日まで姿を消している。
Oh.
Oh, are they only mentioning one?
What?
So in the manga, they make it a scene where it's like 5 seconds, 300,000 people dead. This one said 5 minutes, 1.2 million, where it's like they have a few where it's like small amount of time, this amount of people dead. Small amount of time, this amount of people dead. So I wanted to make that clear that it's not just a one-time event. It's happened a few
な
times.
んていうか俺がすっげえドカンと頑張れば大丈夫でしょ。
Can't do that. That's not allowed. What can I say? Sukuna's hot. Leave me alone.
これは集めた銃の悪魔の肉片。悪魔がこの肉片
Sound
を食べる
familiar?
と銃の
Sukuna's
悪魔の
Sakuna?
力でどんな悪魔でも力を増すの。ほら、くっついた。この肉片がある程度の大きさになれば元の体の場所に戻ろうとするみたい。だからこの肉片をもっと大きくすれば銃の悪魔にたどり着く。
やっぱり銃野郎の肉片食べてたか
Why
ら
does it have cricket's legs?
雑魚悪魔にしちゃあ強かったからな。食べたのか
食べさせたのか。
どっちでもやることは同じです。悪魔は全部殺す。その先に
Yep.
やつ
There's
がい
the
る。
comparison.
It's little baby. Little baby grew up with trauma.
Of course he
Oh,
did.
he's adorable. Oh no, he's
He's
traumatized.
traumatized.
公安に悪魔の駆除要請。ホテル内部で悪魔の目撃。おそらく10の悪魔の肉片を食べている悪魔です。公安隊が得意4課6人を出動
Oh
させます。
yeah, I remember this one.
このホテル内のどこかに潜んでいる
10の悪魔本人がいるんじゃねえの？
肉片が大きいほど強く引き寄せられる。この程度じゃ違う。
そうなんだ。
いいのそれわしによこせ。
Also, if power ate it, you'd be
お前
fucked.
敬語はどうした？
は？何の得もねえのに誰がてめえに敬語使うかよ。早川先輩。
先輩、
これから一緒に悪魔と戦う仲間としてそいつらに背中任せて大丈夫なんですか？片方は魔人でもう片方はチンクだ。
Yeah, some punk.
I love how Power's just sort of like, what are you saying?
What's up? I love power. She's so cool.
逃げたり悪魔に寝返った場合は俺たちが殺す。
こいつめっちゃキレてんじゃん。朝のあれのせいだな。
あのいたずらはさすがにまずかったな。
あれはいたずらレベルじゃねえ。殺すぞ。
おお。よし私が一肌脱いでやろう。今回の悪魔を倒した人にはなんと私がほっぺにキスしてあげまーす。
Who is this guy? He's so pumped.
そんな見だらな。
ああご褒美あった方がやる気出るでしょねえ。
Okay.
Genji's like, hell yes.
Then he's like, I have touched a lot of boob and been very close to a lot of women's mouths recently.
キスは俺もいいや。大丈夫。
あ
やる気はあっから。俺は初めてのチューは誰にするか決めてんだ。その人のために肉片だかなんだかを集めてよ。10の悪魔をぶっ殺すまでキスはしね
へえ。じゃあデンジ君が悪魔を倒したらベロ入れたキスしてあげる。
That guy's like, how dare you?
He's like, guys, we need to stop.
あの子だ危険だ。止まれ。
男の子からかうのが一番面白いや。
危険だ。止まれって言ってるだろ。
I want to join in.
新
Shut
人
up,
たちは
Power.
使えそうですか？
新井君は実力不足だけどやる気は十分って感じ。小紅ちゃんは引っ込み思案だけどかなり動けるかな。
That's the pitiful one.
Yeah.
こいつは強いなと思ったやつもそうでないやつも1年あれば死ぬか民間に行きます。
アキ君は死なないでね。
We're
Okay.
gonna have another dramatic flashback.
姫野、お前の新しいバディだ。
俺はアキ。よろしく。
私のバディ、君で6人目。全員死んでるの。使えない雑魚だから全員死んだ。アキ君は死なないでね。
え。しかしよ、悪魔なんてどこにもいねえじゃねえか。お前が持ってた肉片本当に信用できんのか？
アキ君。来る。
Ominous. Oh. Oh.
捕まえた。
悪魔めわしにビビって浮き合ったわ。
違う、私の力。
なんじゃ？
私は幽霊の悪魔と契約してるの。私の右目を食べさせた代わりにゴーストの右手を使えるってわけ。どうアキ君、10野郎の肉片はある？
強い反応はなし。こいつじゃないですね。
そっか。じゃあ上の階に行くか。
I'll leave it bleeding in the hallway?
Oh,
I guess.
さっきみたいにわしの前で己の力をペラペラ喋ってよいのか？うぬらがおるのはわしを制御するためじゃろ。
力を知ってた方が連携取れやすいでしょ。それに切り札は隠してるからオッケーオッケー。
じゃあわしがこいつを殺すと言ったらどうする？
悪いことしたらいつでも首を絞め殺せるぞ。めんどくさいから仲良くやろうよ。
I mean, not a bad power.
pretty good.
お前たちまだ悪魔が潜んでるんだぞ。もう少し静かに。俺。
どうした？
俺たち今8階から9階へ行く階段を登りましたよね。ここも8階ですよ。
Walking in circles?
Trapped in a
Kind of.
maze?
見間違いじゃねえの？
違う。何かがおかしい。確認してくれ。
決めた。ステーキにして食ってやるわ。
ステーキ？俺ステーキ食ってみて。
新井君、今階段降りていったよね。
What are those stairs called? The like optical illusion?
You have enough people where you can kind of break this illusion. Oh, I love that each ending is different too.
Yeah. I don't fully understand what just happened.
This one's real trippy.
Yeah. What are those stairs called? I want to know. Because now I've thought about it.
You got this.
Penrose Stairs?
That sounds right.
Oh. That looks like a Pokemon.
It does look like a Pokemon.
Like a very specific Pokemon.
Like Ponyta or Rapidash?
No, it looks like, Null?
Type Null?
Type Null?
Ah.
I know Pokemon a little bit. Oh my god,
That whole thing is very
there was a lot going on there. Okay.
Penrose Stairs.
Penrose Stairs. What the fuck just happened?
There's a devil there that they don't know what devil it is, but it has a piece of the gun devil that it's eaten, so it's strong.
Is this gonna be our first sort of like meta devil? Like, is this gonna be like the fear of getting lost?
I think it is something meta like that. I think
Yeah.
it's like the like fear of the unknown or something like that.
Sure. I can get behind that.
And so it's like trapped them in this 8th floor hell. Which is
This
ironic.
feels like a Doctor Who episode.
Because in like Asian culture, specifically Chinese culture, I know this is Japanese, but Chinese, 8 is a lucky number.
8 is a lucky number.
Yeah.
4 is unlucky.
Yes.
4 is death?
Yes. The word for death sounds a lot like the word for the number 4. So they're stuck on this floor. They killed this little tiny thing. I do actually think it's relevant for the next episode because I think that wasn't that was the devil they're hunting, but it wasn't like its main body.
Sure.
Okay, we've met Aki's squad, basically.
Yeah, we've now like actually
Hideno.
talked with Maki's squad
Yeah.
in any meaningful way. Also, baby Aki is adorable and traumatized.
Oh, as a child?
Yeah.
Yeah, when your last words to your brother are, stop it.
He literally spent that whole time being like, "You're so annoying. Don't talk to me. Don't follow me." And then he was like, "Okay, fine. I guess I'll play with you a little." And then his whole family got obliterated.
Correct.
Yikes. Ghost Devil is cool. That's like a cool thing to sort of see and understand that exists. Because yeah, it absolutely would. And like, 'cause people are scared of ghosts.
Yeah.
But it's kind of cool to see that like the Ghost Devil just is kind of this invisible, ominous, unstoppable threat.
Ever present.
I don't know, what was her name?
Hideno?
I'm not a fan of the vibe. It went from like drunk, flirty girl at the club in the club bathroom, fuck words, to like serious supervisor who doesn't have any time for anybody's shit.
I think she has a business face and she has a personal face. Where it's like when it's business, the fuck around and find out kind of person where it's like, oh, like what if I just started to pull a weapon on Shy Girl's name? I don't know her name yet. Where she's like, what if I just like pulled out a knife? And she was like, oh yeah? Yeah, we're gonna do this?
Yeah.
Okay, fuck you.
You wanna fuck around and find out? Let's
Fuck
do
around and
that.
find out.
There's something about the like talking to a 15-year-old being like, well, if you win this makeshift race that we've come up with, I will kiss you with tongue. Also, Makima, oh god, that whole scene is so deeply uncomfortable.
Yes, correct.
Again, I get that Denji's entire motivation is getting his dick wet. I understand
100%.
that. And even as a 15-year-old, I understand like the puberty prompt for that. That makes sense.
That was too much.
That's too much. That is too much.
That is sexual harassment in the workplace.
That is sexual harassment in the workplace. Yeah, there's the whole fact that she is his literal boss.
Literally.
That's too much. There's
also in government. This is government, technically.
Everything about it is bad. And then it's also just like she's not even doing it because she wants to have sex with him. She's doing it to enact power and manipulate him into doing her
It's 100%
will.
manipulative.
Everything about it is icky and gross, and I need her to stop it.
She doesn't. If your boss does this to you, that's
Yeah.
inappropriate.
Okay, let's be real. If anyone does this to you, go talk to an adult that you trust because...
I mean, less than a significant other, but like...
But there's a difference. There's a difference between me and my
Consensual.
partner. Me and my partner have had a conversation about the things that we like and the way you want to engage with each other sexually. And
It's okay if you and your partner consensually agree to have a power dynamic and have that be a part of your relationship. That's totally normal and okay. It's not okay if you haven't talked about it.
In the workplace.
It's not okay in the workplace where your relationship should not be sexual to begin with. And it's not okay when one or both participating partners are under the age of 18.
All right, shall we continue?
Ick, yuck, I hate it. I'm interested to see what this stair situation is. Penrose stair, very cool optical illusion in real life.
Let's see if you can possibly put this together and visualize it how I'm thinking about it. Penrose stairs works because the idea that you're going up and down is an illusion. But in this specific example, it's not exactly a Penrose stairs, and the fact that they are essentially being transported back down a floor.
Absolutely. There's a level of paranormal in this that means that the reality of Penrose stairs doesn't apply here because you don't have physics breaking elements in Penrose stairs. You just have hidden elevation.
In this example, you have enough people where you can break that illusion. All right.
But yeah, I'm excited to see how that pans out. I'm excited to see all the devils. Like, subscribe, hit all the buttons, do all the things, and yeah. Bye!